Hello everyone, welcome to Chetana's kitchen. Today I will show you a healthy, wonderful recipe, Menthe Kadubu or Methi Dumplings. Methi is one of my favorite Indian spice and herbs, which gives incomparable flavor to the recipe. So let's start making these dumplings. Here are the ingredients for the dough.
For the wheat dumplings, 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of gram flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of ajwain or carom seeds, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oil. Now let's begin with the dough. Take wheat flour, gram flour, red chili powder, cumin seeds, ajwain in a big bowl. Add some oil, mix all the ingredients and add little water and knead it into a firm dough. Leave this dough for 10 minutes. Be careful that dough should not be sticky. Divide the dough into small pieces. Next, make small balls. Then press slightly with your finger to make bowl shape as I am doing. Take a vessel with enough water and make it boil. When the water comes to boil, add 1 teaspoon of salt, add some oil, and dumplings. Boil them for 10 minutes. Strain the dumplings with strainer. Pour a glass of normal water on the dumplings so they are not sticky and keep them aside. Ingredients for the stir fry: 1 bunch of methi leaves, 1 bowl of onion finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of green chilli and garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, oil for cooking. Now heat the oil in a non-stick kadai and crackle the mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and then add finely chopped onions, green chili garlic paste, and turmeric. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Saute for 2 minutes. Then add in the methi leaves. Saute them till leaves are cooked. Add little bit of salt and mix well. Once done, I'll add some boiled dumplings in it. Next, I'll add some more methi leaves on them. Again, I'll add some more dumplings on it. And add methi leaves again and stir it. Add little bit of sugar. Cook for about 3 more minutes and close the lid and then lower the flame. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and stir it. And take it out in a plate and serve it hot.
Our methi dumplings are ready to eat now.